When I pack, I do it a little different than most people, so hopefully it will help you with your process and you'll be able to create your own process. But this is my process and what works for me, because I think I'm a little like ADHD about it, because I just want to bring everything. I don't know if you guys are like that also, but I want to bring my whole wardrobe. I don't know why I want to wear everything that I've ever bought for vacation that I own. I literally do it every vacation. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just want to wear the hoochiest skirts, smallest bikinis. I put it like all in my suitcase, and then I'm like, I'm not even bringing a suitcase. Like, I need to fit this into a backpack most of the time because I fly Spirit, so we cut it all down. One of the first things I started doing when I first started traveling was making a list, like a packing list. So I would research online what other people bring, but honestly, since this is gonna be probably your first time traveling, the easiest way to do it is not get overwhelmed and just go throughout your day as you normally would and make a list. So when you wake up in the morning, what do? You brush your teeth, right? So then what do? You put in your contacts. So you need contact solution, a toothbrush, and some toothpaste, Then you put makeup on, so you need to pack your makeup. So just start making a list of like the basics of what you do throughout your day. This way you're gonna start compiling things that you actually do throughout the day and that you actually need. You're not just reading someone else's list of things that they suggest you pack. It's actually things you use throughout your own day. So for me, for example, I don't really use much foundation, and I know I'm gonna be on vacation, so I'm gonna use suntan lotion, probably like as my base, and then I'm gonna bring like mascara and some like chapstick. But I'm not bringing like foundation and setting spray and like all this. I don't even know makeup terms, honestly, because I don't even wear makeup like that, but you know what I'm saying. And I usually start this process about a week before I leave, because that gives me 7 days to filter out all of the stuff that I don't need. So just like making a list of, necessities and accessories and things, I also start making a pile of clothes that I want to bring, stuff out that I want to wear on vacation. And this way, throughout the week, I'm going to look at stuff and be like, does that even fit anymore? Am I really going to wear that? That first impulse of like, I want to wear everything, I just let it out and just make a pile of everything I want to wear. Like I said, it's usually everything I literally own for vacation. On day 2, you're going to start thinking about what kinds of things you're going to do on vacation. So, for example, if you're at an all-inclusive resort, you're going to wake up and go and eat breakfast. So you need like a breakfast outfit, or you need a bikini with a cover-up if you're gonna wear that to breakfast. Next, you're gonna go to the pool. So maybe you already have your bikini and cover-up on, or do you need to go back to the room to change into a bikini and cover-up? You need, flip-flops for the pool. You need a little pool bag. You need things to put inside your pool bag, like suntan lotion, chapstick, and stuff. So you start kind of breaking down your day. Are you gonna go on an excursion? In an excursion, you need kind of a more solid swimsuit because you don't want it to fly off. You probably need a t-shirt so your shoulders don't burn, shorts, regular shoes if you're gonna be doing the dune buggy and stuff like that. If you're gonna be doing like zip lining and things, your flip-flops are probably gonna fall off, so you should probably bring some sort of better shoes than that. Then after that, are you gonna take a nap? Like, you need to remember to bring sleeping clothes. Think about what your day is going to look like, and that's gonna help you add more things to the pile that maybe you forgot about, but eventually we're gonna get rid of this pile. So this is the day that you start kind of making cuts in your pile. So you're gonna start making outfits. So, I always have those impulse buys where I'm like, oh, I love this shirt, I love these shorts, or I love these pants, but like I don't have anything that matches with it. So yes, I have these travel pants that I've always wanted to wear. They're bright orange. Do I have a shirt to wear with them yet? Still no. I have not bought a shirt for these pants, and I've had them for like 3 years already, and I still have not worn them. They always get put in the pile, and then I always remind myself, hey, you never bought a shirt to wear with those pants. So I'm gonna take those out of the pile. I already know I'm taking those out of the pile, even though I always put them there. Or I'll go and buy a shirt to match it because I actually want to wear it this trip. You start getting the idea of like, maybe you have this cool shirt, but you don't have anything that it would go with or any shorts that it would match with. If you can't find it before you're going on vacation, just don't pack it, because otherwise it's just gonna take up space in your suitcase. And as you're putting these little outfits together, feel free to like add accessories. What color lipstick do you want to wear with that? What earrings are you going to wear with that? What jewelry what kind of shoes are you wearing with that? Take a picture so you can remember what you put together and why you put it together. Because sometimes when you're on vacation for like a week, you kind of forget what you brought because everything gets stuffed in the suitcase, and sometimes you don't take everything out. So you kind of forget that you even brought a pair of earrings that you're really excited to wear just because you get wrapped up in vacation and you're doing all this stuff and then you're like, oh wait, I never wore that because I had brought it for this trip. I totally forgot I even packed it. Trust me on this one. The fourth day, we're gonna start cutting things. So today is the big day where you try things on. So yes, I bought this for travel like 2 years ago. You put it on and you're like, she doesn't fit anymore. Gotta lose a couple pounds, it just doesn't look right. Or maybe you're going into vacation while it's that time of the month. You can't really wear that sheer dress because, you know, you got too much stuff going on down there. And really start making those cuts of like what really fits, what are you actually gonna wear, what's just like an impulse put in the suitcase thing, and start taking those things out and save them for your next trip. Think about clothes that are like your safety clothes. We don't want to wear those. I mean, you can wear them if you want, but think about all the pictures you already have in them. Like you already have so many pictures in that outfit. Like why do you want to wear it again on vacation? It's the same outfit that you have all over the internet. So like, don't you want to try something new, wear something fresh? That could help you with your cutting. If you're having a hard time deciding what to cut, just start thinking about things you already have so many pictures of, you've already worn it so many times. And also start thinking about common sense, like, are you really gonna wear those stilettos in the sand? Don't pack the stilettos for that vacation. Just bring sandals for this trip. Like, do you even need high heels if you're just gonna be relaxing and sitting by the pool? Now you're gonna start thinking like common sense. So if you have 5 pairs of jeans, like what do you need 5 pairs of jeans for? You don't need 5 pairs of jeans. Like you need one for the plane to keep you warm, and that's about it. You're not going on vacation for a month. The reality is you're probably just going for like 4 days. You can wear the same jeans a couple times. It's gonna be okay. If you need to wash them, you could wash them in your sink. There's ways to wash your clothes. It's just gonna take up space. And while you're on vacation trying to fit all your souvenirs back into your suitcase, why did I bring so many jeans to a beach resort? Why did I do that? Just start thinking of like common sense. Think of things you can wear over and over again, like tennis shoes, for example. You're gonna wear them on the plane maybe, but how much are you really gonna wear them at a resort? But you could wear them as your excursion. So make sure they're tennis shoes that you don't mind getting dirty also. Tennis shoes that would work for like both experiences. And now on like your 5th or 6th day, you can do them in the same day. I'm just telling you like, for example, what my steps that I do. I tend to do it for a week because it does take me a while to cut down my pile. But on your 5th or 6th day, 7th day, whatever, now you really want to make the cuts like, okay, I'm going to wear this to this event. I'm going to wear this at the excursion. Oh, maybe I'll bring a couple extra tops just to mix them in for the day. And at this point, you should have a pretty good idea of what you're going to wear. Everything fits. Everything matches. I like to wear a lot of swimsuits and they don't really take up much space, so I tend to bring a lot of them. But if you're running low on space, feel free to just wear one swimsuit for the whole trip. Who cares? You're never gonna see these people on vacation again. No one's gonna even notice you're wearing the same swimsuit like 2 days in a row. No one cares, it's a swimsuit, who cares? You wear the same cover-up a couple days in a row, so what's the difference between wearing the same flip-flops the same day in a row? You can wear the same thing, guys, it's not that big a deal. You don't need to be an Instagram model. I am not an Instagram model kind of person. I just take pictures in the moment. I don't need to bring like a bright white dress so that I can take it out into the jungle for one picture. Like, can you imagine hiking in the jungle with a freaking bright white dress and trying to keep it clean, walking through a jungle with monkeys like jumping on you and pooping on you? Like, no, we're not doing that. We're not those kind of vacationers. If you are, that's great. Good for you. I'm just trying to say realistic travel, affordable travel, approachable travel, and you know, we're just trying to have a swimsuit, have an outfit, have a nice dress for dinner. It's really that simple, guys. Don't stress so much about what you're bringing. You can always buy something if you really need to. Think about the basics that you need, right? You need a swimsuit if you're going to the pool. You need a dress if you're going out to dinner. You need a casual outfit for walking throughout the day. Those are like the 3 things you have. I hope you get the point. But now we're moving on to actually packing. So what is gonna actually fit into your suitcase or into your book bag? If you wanna watch this video, I go into what I did to pack for Vegas, for example. Maybe that'll help you out having more of like a visual. It really comes down to what do you wanna wear, what's gonna make you happy, and that's what vacation is all about. We don't need to stress about these little things like, oh my gosh, I forgot a toothbrush. You can buy one while you're on vacation. Maybe it's gonna cost you $5, but it's still gonna be there. It's a toothbrush. Like, it's not the end of the world that you forgot your toothbrush. Oh my gosh, I forgot my contact solution. Guess what? They've got Dwayne Reed, they've got CVS. Everywhere has these things, guys. Even the hotel oftentimes sells it in the lobby. Like I said, it might be a little more money than you usually pay for something, but you can find it on vacation. I hope this video helped with some of the anxiety that comes with packing. I hope I didn't give you more anxiety by showing you all the messes that I make when I figure out my travel stuff, but hopefully it will give you a sense of a step-by-step process. I'll leave the link to the full article down below so you can kind of read it. I have some different lists and things on there too that might help you out. So check that out. Leave a comment if this video helped you guys. Hit that like, and I will see you in the next video. We're almost there, guys. We're almost on vacation. We are so close.